Hi. I promised that I would take pictures of my garden. And so here it is. As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child was born in the ghetto.
And his mama cried, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need is another hungry man to feed in the ghetto.
People, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand. He'll grow to be an angry young man someday. Take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Or do we simply turn our head, look the other way?
Well, the world turns, and a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as the cold goes in the ghetto.
And his hunger burns. So he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learns how to steal, and he learns how to fight in the ghetto.
Then one night in desperation, young man breaks away.
He buys a gun, steals a car, tries to run, but he don't get far, and his mama cries. And a young man sits down on the street
With the gun in his hand in the ghetto. As her young man died on a cold and gray Chicago, another baby child was born in the ghetto. I will have flowers one day when I get around to it on my borders. I need a lot of work to be done out there. Just no time. Blessings. Thank you. We got a beautiful garden, by the way.